On a lighter note, the 17th Gulfood Fair and Exhibition has opened in Dubai and has attracted almost 4,000 exhibitors from nearly 90 countries. The event includes a sideline conference where experts discuss the development and challenges of the food industry in the region. Due to the hot climate and vastly deserted surface, the oil-rich countries are not able to produce enough food. Meanwhile, the Gulf's population is fast growing. The region's strong dependency on food supply means big business opportunities for global food giants. Local Arab firms are increasingly trying to rival the Western dominance in the market. The fair expects to see about 65,000 visitors in total.